Welcome to the Modern Pulse, your go-to destination for the latest updates, reviews, and deep dives into the world of modern vehicles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to push boundaries in style, performance, and innovation. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 builds on its reputation for offering a refined driving experience, enhanced features, and an elegant design that appeals to a wide range of drivers. This latest model arrives with subtle yet impactful changes to its exterior, showcasing a more streamlined front fascia, redesigned LED headlights, and a refreshed grille that adds a touch of modern sophistication. Mazda's signature Kodo design language is still very much alive, delivering an athletic yet refined stance that makes the CX-5 stand out in a crowded segment. Under the hood, the 2026 CX-5 offers a choice of powertrains, including the reliable 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an available turbocharged variant for those seeking extra punch. Mazda has also improved fuel efficiency through engine tweaks and aerodynamic refinements, ensuring drivers get more miles without sacrificing performance. The ride quality continues to be a strong point, with Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus system offering precise handling and enhanced cornering stability, making everyday driving a more enjoyable experience. Inside the cabin, the 2026 CX-5 delivers premium materials and an elevated sense of craftsmanship. The seating has been redesigned for better support and comfort, especially on longer drives. The new infotainment system now features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen with faster response times, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a more intuitive interface. Mazda has also introduced upgraded sound insulation, resulting in a quieter cabin even at highway speeds. Tech-savvy drivers will appreciate the CX-5's suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a more responsive automatic emergency braking system. The new model also incorporates Mazda's latest iActiveSense safety suite with improvements in pedestrian and cyclist detection. Cargo space remains competitive, and the rear seats fold down easily to offer flexibility for transporting larger items. With a perfect balance between luxury, performance, and practicality, the 2026 Mazda CX-5 remains a solid choice in the compact SUV market for families, professionals, and adventure seekers alike.